Hello everyone, this is Jeff from Zirdent. Today, I would like to introduce our new zirconia product, 3D Ultra. This model is designed for anterior aesthetic restorations. Its fracture strength is adjustable from 600 megapascal to 800 megapascal. And its translucency ranges from 49% to 53%. We offer a full range of shade options, recital indications from veneers and inlays to 3 uniting bridges. Our material is 100% thin syrup, ensuring excellent quality. Additionally, we hold CE on MDR, FDA, and ISO certifications, which guarantee worry-free import for you. Our products can meet all your needs, and welcome to contact us for more information.